It's a great day at Byrider. My name is Maya, and I got some exciting news to share with you. It's that thankful time of year again. And before you gobble away on all your turkey and stuffing, it's an absolute must to know where you're going to get thrifty this year for Black Friday. So I have a question for you. What are you investing in this year for Black Friday? A TV? A new computer? An Xbox? We offer in-house financing for those who have had a difficult time getting loans through the big box dealerships. Our application is easy. Once the bank wants to move forward, they will provide you with a list of vehicles that come with a 4-year, 48,000-mile warranty and affordable payments that will give you an opportunity to establish or reestablish your credit. The first step to building better credit is to complete an application. So give me a call at 920-204-0300 or stop in today at 44 North Rolling Meadows Drive in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin, and see how you can invest in yourself this Black Friday season.
What are you investing in this Black Friday season?
I'm investing in myself. I'm going to Byrider.